first cup in the morning, right? Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another show with the crochet hook. Again, my name is Nona, and I'm glad that you all stopped by today. So, as stated on the title, I have a little bit of something I want to go over with you all today. I'm actually kind of excited about it. I started this channel a couple years ago, first off, and I just kind of got bored there for a bit, kind of let it go, and I restarted it back up, I would say about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and I have been putting out a lot of videos on diamond art, crocheting, loom knitting, things like that, and I'm so excited to be able to get tutorials out for all of you. But another thing I'm really excited about is I was not expecting to get over 50 subscribers already within like a week and a half. So I thank each and every one of you that has subscribed to my channel. I thank you for supporting my channel, supporting me, and I am really excited about it. I know it doesn't seem like a big number, but to me it is, because I appreciate each and every one of you. So, because I hit over 50 subscribers, I believe as of today, I have 56 or 57 subscribers already in a week and a half. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to give back to one of you. I'd like to do a drawing to show my appreciation to all of you for supporting my channel. So, I went ahead and I made a purchase, and I want to be able to do like a drawing. First off, if you want to get into the drawing, I will need you to send me an email to my email address, which is right here above. Go and send me an email with your name and that you would like to be put into the drawing. And then if your name is picked, I will email you back and let you know and get your address, things like that. Please, whatever you do, do not put your address in a comment on the videos, because that is live. So please send it to my email address. So we are going to do a drawing. Any one of you or all of you that want to go ahead and enter the drawing, like I said, send me an email. I will put all the names into a bowl, and then I will do another video and post it on on New Year's Eve. We're going to take it out to New Year's Eve. And then I will do a video, I will do a drawing, and I will pick a name of the winner. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away these 2 rolls of Chunky Bloom yarn. This is the type of yarn that actually forms its own pattern. So, one of you lucky winners will be able to receive 2 rolls of the Premier Bloom Chunky yarn. So again, I am very excited, and I thank each and every one of you that has subscribed to my channel so far. If you are new and this is the first video you've seen, please hit that subscribe button, and you're more than welcome to enter the drawing as well. So again, don't forget, send me that email, enter that drawing, and we'll pick the winner on New Year's Eve. Thanks you all for stopping by again today, and we'll see you on the next one.